We begin in Lonoke County, where the trial resumed this morning for Michael Davis, the former Lonoke County deputy charged with manslaughter in the death of Hunter Brittain.
And we understand it has been a very busy day in the courtroom, without a doubt. KARK4's Katrin Asaf joining us now live from Lonoke County with the latest. Katrin, what's become of day 2 of this trial?
Well, Bob, Laura, it was actually just as packed as yesterday, but the important thing is that at the end of the trial day today, the state rested its case after only 2 days and 6 witnesses. Now, right off the bat, we got into some pretty big pieces of evidence. First, we started with an interview that Davis gave 5 days after the shooting. It's nearly an hour long. He gets emotional multiple times throughout that. That is really the first time we hear, in his own words, his side of the story. At multiple times, he says things like, quote, "I thought he was going to kill me," referring to Hunter. He says that through tears as he remembers that moment that he believed that Hunter was reaching in the back of his truck for possibly a weapon. And then he later adds, quote, "I didn't know it was a kid until after somebody told me." Now, after we watched that testimony from Davis, they then called up Landon Crowder to the pulpit. Now, he is the teenager, the third teenager who was from that auto body shop during that night that Hunter was working on his car. He was actually in the shop when it happened, so he wasn't in the vehicle with Jordan King, who testified yesterday. Now, his evidence was critical because he also says that he didn't hear any commands until after the shot was fired. Then he says he heard clearly shots fired, shots fired. His testimony sparked a heated debate between the two attorneys about whether he could have feasibly heard a conversation being about 50 feet away from the cars, or whether he may have missed something being not right next to the car. After his testimony, we also brought in a law enforcement training expert who says that the use of deadly force, he went through the training that would have gone into that. Prosecutors and the defense attorney asked him questions such as the need to say something like, "I will shoot," before you fire your weapon. Now, this training expert said that according to the training that Davis received, it would have been encouraged, if possible, for him to have said, "I will shoot," or "If you do not comply, I will shoot," before he fired that weapon. That was another huge argument that happened today. And then other witnesses that were brought up to the stand include the medical examiner who conducted the autopsy of Hunter Brittain, Sheriff John Staley for his use of body cameras, as well as that same Arkansas State Police investigator that we heard from yesterday. So a lot tackled just in one day. And again, the state has rested its case. So for the next 2 days, we're going to hear more from the defense, and we're going to see if we reach the number of 20 witnesses who were on the witness list. Most likely, though, they're just going to focus on a few of those. Of course, we're going to continue to keep you updated as this trial gets underway later this week. Reporting in Lonoke County, Katrin Asaf, back to you.